Welcome to Sylhet, a city where the echoes of the past blend seamlessly with the pulse of the present. Nestled in the northeastern region of Bangladesh, Sylhet stands as a testament to rich history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking natural beauty. Uncover the city's heart in Keen Bridge, a symbol of Sylhet's resilience and elegance. Feel the tranquility in the lush green tea gardens, where time seems to stand still. Explore the mysteries of Ratargal, the only freshwater swamp forest in Bangladesh, a hidden jewel waiting to be discovered. Experience spiritual serenity in the Hazrat Shah Jalal Mazar Sharif, a beacon of peace and harmony. Embrace the hustle and bustle of the colorful local markets, where the air is filled with the aroma of traditional Bengali cuisine. Sylhet, a city that never fails to mesmerize, where every corner tells a story, where every moment is a memory. So come and immerse yourself in the magic of Sylhet, where the journey is as captivating as the destination.